Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview A+B Epoxy 9908K Black Rezolin Epoxy Kit. A+B Epoxy Putty 14 ounces is an easy-to-use, two-part putty you simply mix and mold like clay. No complicated weighing or measuring required. Easy one-on-one cut what you need mix ratio. Form it into any shape. It hardens in 1 hour and makes a final, steel-hard cure in 12 hours. Can cure underwater. Provides a durable and permanent bond to fiberglass, concrete, brick, stone, glass, porcelain, tile, ceramics, pottery, metal, copper, chrome, iron, wood, most PVC, and countless other materials. Product benefits. Hardens in 50 to 60 minutes with final steel hard cure in 12 hours. Can cure underwater. Used for pool and SPA repairs, plaster, gunite, or fiberglass. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.